So as for our previous Realme Pad video, we have installed this Static OS on our Realme Pad, which is the latest and the greatest one from a guy Nate. So in this video, we will see the quick review of this Static OS. I've been using this for last 2-3 days. So this is my quick review of this one. So first, we'll start with the build details. So this is the latest Static OS version 6.2 tiramisu. The build date is 12 April 2023, and this is the official build. Also, previously we have installed the Bliss OS. So most of this review will be comparing with the Bliss OS ratings and scores. This also has the security patch of April 5th, 2023, and the kernel here is 4.14.312. Also, this is like a clean AOSP based ROM, less or no customization in this one. So there isn't much to talk about the customizations, but the boot animation which I have showed in the installation video, really good. It is minimal design. I really liked it. So first we'll talk about the battery. So battery percentage wise, we are getting some 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. I have checked it like with the 97 percentage to it drained to 21 percentage. It took around 7 hours fully to drain the battery. So the screen on time is 7 hours to 8 hours. It is same as our previous Bliss OS. Now we'll see about the performance things. So I have run multiple synthetic benchmark scores and graphical oriented. First we'll see the 3D wildlife. So 3D wildlife, we have a score of 685 with the 4.10 fps. But in previous Bliss OS, we have received 691 with the 4.10 FPS. Most are similarly same, but Bliss OS has 6% highest score. And I have run twice, but the case is more or less same. And next, I have run the camera to API. Here we have the full level, like earlier this one build, so you can't use the Google camera. But here we have the camera go by default. So I will put some sample pictures which I have quickly took. So yeah, it seems to be decent like our stock camera. So yeah, that is that. Third thing is I have run the stress test continuously for straight 15 minutes, and the score that we have is it almost stayed 84 percentage of the performance peak all the time, which is really great. But in Bliss OS, again in the Bliss OS we have stayed around 89 percentage, which is really great. So these ROM just 5% less when compared to Bliss OS, but still we can't confirm it as there are multiple other reasons which that may had given the high count. It doesn't mean that it's very worst or something. It just there are some other application would have been running in the back end in that particular time. So yeah, just that 5%, 84 is still a good lead in my opinion. So next thing, I have tested the DRM status. DRM status wise, it is same as the previous. It has the L1 security level, so you can watch the HD, you should be able to watch the HD content, Amazon Prime or Netflix. So that is there. Next thing is I have run the Geekbench 5 score, and here in the single core performance we got the 347, and the multi-core that we got is 1259. And in previous Bliss OS, we still again we got it like 335, and the multi-core is 300 and sorry 1309. So still there it is little bit mixed one. So in Bliss we had a less single score and high multi score. Here we have high single score and less multi score. So this doesn't mean anything. So it is more or less same like previous Bliss OS. The performance is same. And the graphical oriental computational score we got 100 and sorry, 1142 Vulkan scores. In previous, we got the 1171, 30 points higher than this one. Still, all the things are similar with the previous OSs. Next thing, I have also ran the Geekbench 6. So this is recently came, I guess. So score, I don't have it for the Bliss OS. So for this, I have the 415 for single core, and multi core is 1367, and the open GPU, that Vulkan score is 1130, which is more or less similar to our Geekbench 5, but it is a little bit higher. In going forward, we'll use both the Geekbench 5 and 6 for the benchmarking. Also, I have run the safety net test. So it got paused, and also the storage is fully encrypted here. So yeah, the banking apps and other apps should work in this particular OS. And I also have installed the NetMonster. I tested the network related things, whether the 4G carrier aggregations are working or not. Here, it is not working like our previous custom ROMs. So yeah, the speed also typically is fine, 21 Mbps for Geo. So yeah, if I get some carrier aggregation, it will be like 30 to 40 Mbps. So that is there, but this case is same for all our previous custom ROMs as well. Only in our stock ROM the carrier aggregation works. It connects to two or two bands in the simultaneously. So that is what about full thing. So encryption also I have said it is fully enabled, fully encrypted. Also I have tested other things like a headphone jack, it is working. Bluetooth audio, I have listened to some songs, it's working. Calling, I did the loudspeaker, it's working fine. And we have to do the gaming, which I will do after this part. So now let's see the gaming performance of this one. So here I have the uh, Battleground Mobile India. So this is not gaming, this one, but still it is closing. So I'll reduce the sound a little bit. So let's start on untracking match. The graphics I have set it to high HD, which is the most possible one, and high graphics, and the color is in reality profile. Hello, it should work. So now it seems to be fine. Unfortunately, the recent gaming dashboard, even it is there, it won't work for this one because I have sideloaded this what I would say APK and then installed this game. So, but it looks smooth as of now. So another 5 minutes or something, we'll check how it is actually working. Little bit some sort of jittering effects we have, but I would say that is fine as long as it is playable. This issue with this competitive games, when you play it in mid-range or budget process, whenever you need the performance, that time you go don't get the performance. When you normally play it, it will work fine. But when there are a lot of enemies or nearby there are enemies, suddenly when you have to scope or something, that time it suddenly glitches. So that makes it a very very what I would say worst to play these kind of games in these devices. But just for fun you can uh, how would I say, install and play it. There is no harm. Yeah, I got laser sight. I'm inside the circle of center. Why the hell he's showing the head, man? Two headshots. Somebody will scope us in this time. This touch, no. This car is great, man. But only thing is this, man. We are in this. With three kills, we got it. I stopped playing the games and all, guys. So just for this reviews only, that time only I'll install and I'll play. Whatever I feel addictive, I'll stop doing it. And so far, the performance is good. Which one is good? P90 or AK? People know some people. They'll think like a pro. Okay, uh, this is grenade, right? They don't tell us grenade. They'll tell, bro, nade, bro. Do you have a nade? Nade like that. Or this is a lemonade or what? Stylely they'll tell nade, bro. Bro, nade is coming, bro. That is fun. But I don't have nade now. I'll just kill this team member. Now 416 is for car. Which one we need to use? 9mm. Car also 7 and AKM also 7. Both are 7. Car, we need it. Still now the performance is fine. We are almost playing this game for 10 minutes. What is the scope, man? We'll kill him in the car. Car. Car 98. Hey, stop. I think this is bot. Let the bot live. I'm not against EA, bro. Oh, your team member is there. Oh, you don't have pan and all, huh? No, it is not there. Now we got the pan 100 years. So there's one guy that from that time he is trying to kill somebody else. Uh, friends, two people. And this game are so addictive, man. I would say. Hey Mendel, we are same team. Hey, we are not same team. What? Hey, what man? It is not at all reducing the blood or what? He is bot man. But bro. So the gameplay is fine, but I didn't took any vehicle and check it. So still the game is playable. Leave a like. And what are all the good things about this OS? Well, this OS, the good thing that I see is the smoothness. So it is actually feels good, maybe because I am straight coming from Android 11 stock ROM, which is garbage, little bit garbage. So when compared to this, this feels really smooth and snappy. This animation and all, it got really improved even when compared to previous in the initial stages of Aero OS that time. No, when compared to that, Google has polished a lot for this tablet aspects. So this is what I really liked about this ROM. That is the first thing. Second thing is this quick switch. So as we have seen in the installation video, you would have seen. So if you didn't see, I would suggest you to watch that installation video where I have seen these things. So when you open this, you are getting this one, and if you scroll this, you can directly switch between different apps from here itself. So that I feel really really great, and it works like a charm. I actually like it a lot. So that is there. Also, if I do the lock screen, this in the this form factor also, the locking and all working perfectly fine. And if I scroll from this side, the unlock goes this side, and if I do this side, it will go this side. And also, the one of the good feature that I found and useful is this particular uh, what I would say, profile changing. So here currently in my profile, if I set a guest means, it will automatically create one new instance, and yeah, you can use that device without without showing your data and other things. It will feel like a new device. So if any of your kids or someone wants to watch us watch some videos or something, you can just set it to guest mode and give it to them. And when you switch again from guest mode to your own mode, um, all the files and folders whichever created by that kid will be deleted. That is really really great. So yeah, you no need to give your personal files and your work files and all with the kids, and he might delete it, right? So guest mode is actually cool. I didn't check the fully, but that's how the guest mode works. I have checked the git mode. Okay, I didn't fully extensively check it. If I get the time, I will check it. Also, you have you can create some other person. Here you have this manage other person option as well. So these are some of the needs of installing this one. It feels fulfilled, I would say. Whether I will use this as my daily driver, well, I will definitely use this as my daily driver. I really like it a lot. There aren't much customization. So when we are speaking about the bad things, the boot time is a little bit high, so that is there. Second is there is no network monitor indicator. I have searched it, so network speed I can't find it in the status bar. Also, I have found some glitches in the Hotstar app. So whenever I'm switching between portrait to landscape video mode, it is giving some sort of glitching effect. So I have to close that app and I need to reopen again and check it. That some hiccups. And this doesn't have a Dolby Atmos, I guess. In previous one, in stock Android we have it. So I was using stock Android, right? So when compared to that audio level in the four speakers, quad speakers, this audio is a little bit in lesser side, I would say. So when I was watching in Hotstar, again I have only Hotstar. So yeah, when compared to stock Android, the audio here is a little bit less. Here we have an option to increase the loudness. So here in the sound and vibration and loudness, so here we have something called best loudness. So but I have enabled, which is just increasing only 10 to 20 percentage of the audio level. Still it is not as equal to our stock ROM. So yeah, that experience got little bit reduced. So second thing and the final thing is this no system update. So there is no system updates inbuilt OTA options. Here I have searched it, right? So if I select here, there is no option. I think if future update comes, we have to manually install through our ADB method, which I have used to install this OS, or else maybe we need to reboot to recovery or something, do it. But also this is uncertain, as we sometimes we have to do the clean flash to install the latest updates. So that time it may affects you. So I have to clearly tell that. So yeah, so verdict, it is really good one, and I would say you should give it a try at least once. I liked it a lot. Also, I see there are a lot of what to say, frequent updates we are receiving for this particular static OS build. So yeah, I liked it very much. Thank you for watching, and follow our Telegram group, join it, be a part of the member, and leave it your comment, because I'm not even seeing lot of comments, so only one or two comments I'm receiving. So I would say leave a comment, like, and let me know that you are Realme user, so that I don't sell this device, or else I will sell this device. Okay. Yeah, I'm just kidding, I don't sell it. Bye.